Space, the final frontier, and a cosmic graveyard of nightmares. Beyond our fragile blue dot lie worlds where physics itself turns hostile, where the very air could dissolve you, the ground could vaporize you, and the sky rains glass sideways at Mach 2. Forget hostile aliens. The universe's deadliest predators are the planets themselves. Today, we count down the 12 most lethally inhospitable exoplanets ever discovered. Places where survival isn't just unlikely, it's physically impossible. Strap in. This tour is strictly observational. At first glance, HD ET9733b looks serene. A stunning cobalt jewel 63 light-years away. Don't be fooled. This hot Jupiter is locked in the death grip with its star, baking at 1,700 degrees 930 degrees C.
It's not just hot, it's wet. But the rain, molten glass, silicate particles condense in the upper atmosphere and fall sideways. Winds hit 5,400 mph, 7 times faster than sound. You'd be sandblasted into atoms before you hit the surface, which doesn't even exist.
A beautiful blue death trap. Never pack your umbrella here. WASP 12b orbits so close to its star that gravity has warped it into a grotesque egg. Tidal forces are literally tearing it apart.
It's losing mass like a comet. Hydrogen, helium, even heavy metals like aluminum and magnesium are boiling off into space. In 10 million years, gone, swallowed whole.
Visit now, and you'd be vaporized in an atmosphere hotter than lava, while watching your planet disintegrate around you. Kepler 10c is a mega-Earth, 17 times heavier than our planet. But its surface gravity? 2.5 times Earth's.
Your bones would snap like twigs. A 150-pound human would weigh 375 pounds instantly. The atmosphere? Crushed into a supercritical fluid. No breathable air, just a toxic soup under pressures that'd flatten a submarine.
A world where just standing is a death sentence. Co-Rho-T 7b is so close to its star that one side is eternal noon and an ocean of molten rock. The other, a frozen wasteland at 350 degrees, 200 natives. 10 degrees C.
Temperatures swing from 4,800 degrees C, 2,650 degrees C, to near absolute zero. Volcanoes erupt continuously. The air? Vaporized rock. Silicon monoxide, sodium, iron. Breathe that, and your lungs crystallize.
No twilight zone, just instant incineration or cryogenic shattering. This world orbits a pulsar, the corpse of a dead star, spinning 100 times per second, blasting space with X-rays and gamma rays.
Pulsars are cosmic particle accelerators. Standing here for 1 second would give you 10,000 times a lethal radiation dose. The surface is sterilized down to the bedrock. It's a tomb orbiting a tomb.
A planet where death isn't just likely, it's already happened, billions of years ago. TAR-ES-2b is darker than coal. It reflects less than 1% of light, making it the darkest known planet. But its secret? It's glowing.
At 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, 980 degrees CC, its atmosphere is so hot it emits a dull red light. But the real killer? Titanium and gaseous sodium absorb all incoming starlight. No shadows, no relief. Just a suffocating, lightless inferno.
A world where you would be cooked in utter darkness. GJ1214b is a water world, but not as you know it.
Imagine an ocean 100x deeper than Earth's. But under crushing pressure, water turns into exotic ices. Hot ice that's solid at 500 degrees, 260 degrees. The surface? A supercritical fluid where liquid and gas merge. Dive down and you'd be crushed, boiled, and frozen simultaneously.
No beaches, just a pressure cooker filled with alien ice. Kepler 70b is the closest planet to its star ever found. It whips around in 5.7 hours.
Surface temperature 12,000 by DD, 6,800 DDC, hotter than the sun's surface. Iron and rock vaporize instantly. It's less a planet, more a cloud of incandescent plasma clinging to a molten core.
You wouldn't land. You'd disintegrate before your ship crossed the Terminator line. This planet orbits a dim red dwarf, 21,500 light-years away. Sunlight? A faint ember.
Temperatures plunge to 364 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees. Atmosphere? Frozen solid, nitrogen, oxygen, even argon snow. The ground is brittle rock over a mantle of ice harder than steel. One misstep and you shatter like glass.
A world where cold doesn't just kill you, it preserves your corpse for eternity. Kelt 9b's star is so hot it blasts the planet with ultraviolet radiation 700x stronger than Earth gets from the sun.
Dayside temps hit 7,800 degrees Wife, 4,300 degrees, hotter than most stars. Molecules like water and methane can't exist. They're ripped apart into atoms. The atmosphere is literally evaporating into space like steam.
A planet being sterilized by its own sun. DNA? Vaporized in nanoseconds. This planet survived its star's death, but orbits the stellar corpse closer than Mercury orbits our sun.
White dwarfs are Earth-size, but with the sun's mass. Gravity here is monstrous. Tidal forces would spaghettify you. Plus, the debris field from shredded asteroids, traveling at $100,000 mph. It's a cosmic shooting gallery.
A world dancing on the grave of its creator. One wrong move, and you join the rubble. Yes, it's a real Tatooine. But forget sunsets. Kepler 16b is a frozen wasteland. 100 degrees, 73 degrees C, with a deadly twist.
Two stars mean chaotic gravity, orbits destabilize, asteroids get flung like cosmic bullets. And those suns? One's a red dwarf prone to violent flares that bathe the planet in X-rays. No stable climate, no safe haven.
A world where the sky itself is trying to kill you. These 12 worlds are monuments to cosmic violence. Places where the laws of physics conspire to erase life. But they also remind us of something precious, of the fragile, miraculous oasis we call home. So next time you feel small under the stars, remember, you're standing on the rarest thing in the universe, a world that wants you alive. Stay curious, stay safe, and for the love of science, never visit these places.